Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new question which says if alpha and beta are the roots, this is R, the roots of the equation this, then the value of this thing is. Okay. So, this is very interesting problem. You should try this question multiple times in regular interval of 4 to 5 days because right now I'll give you the concept and you guys can apply and solve this problem. But if you will forget this concept now, you will end up getting stuck. So practice this question multiple times. So we have x square minus 3 plus 2 to the power log 3 base 2 everything inside root minus 3 times log 2 base 3 everything inside root x minus 2 times 3 to the power log 2 base 3 minus 2 to the power log 3, this is 2, okay, base 2. So in this part, if you will observe this thing, you know that you guys can simplify this part easily because we guys have one of the property that if you have a to the power log b base c, we guys can interchange these two things. Okay, so we will simplify this part. So it will become what? This 3 and 2 will get interchanged. So you will have 2 to the power log 3 base 3, which is 1. So 2 to the power 1 is 2. Then these two things will get interchanged and it will become 3 to the power 1. So 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Minus into minus 2 will become plus 2. Okay. Now I'll copy paste the question one more time. So x square minus 3 plus 2 log 3 base 2 minus 3 power log 2 base 3 everything inside root times x. Now in this problem, if you'll observe now, this part is a little bit annoying. Okay, so we have to understand how to break down this part. So suppose that I have asked you to write down 2. Okay, so how will you write? You will directly write this. But look at this, how I will write 2. I want to write this thing. Okay, now just tell me what is this. You know that you will interchange these two things. So it will become 2 to the power log a base a, which is 1. So 2 power 1 is 2. So I can write down 2 as this thing. Correct? So let's simplify this part. Can I just copy paste the question? 2 to the power log 3 base 2 minus, I am manipulating this part only. Okay, so it is 3 to the power log 2 base 3. So I am interested in manipulating this part. So can I write a to the power log base is a, and then this argument, it is 2 to the power log 3 base 2, okay, minus a to the power log base a 3 to the power log 2 base 3. Okay, now you know that if anything is in the power of argument will come at coefficient. So can I write a to the power root over log 3 base 2 times log 2 base a. Same we will do with this part as well. Log 2 base 3 and then log 3 base a. Now look at this, what I will do. Can I break down this thing as log 3 by log 2? So a power root over log 3 by root over log 2, and I'll do the same with this part as well. Log 2 by log a minus a, so it is a power root over log 2 log 3, same game, log 3 log a. Now look at this. This is root. Can I eliminate this by this? Correct now. And it is also the same thing. So you will have root. So can I say that we got a power root log 3 root log 2 by log a? Correct? And we will do the same thing with that part as well. A power root log 2 root over log 2 root over log 3 log a. Now look at this, both elements are same. So can I eliminate this and this, and we will be left with 0. So the irritating thing, which was this component, comes out to be 0. So can I modify again the quadratic thing as x square minus 3x plus 2 equals to 0, correct? Now look at this, we have to calculate alpha square plus beta square. So we have required value alpha square plus beta square plus alpha beta. We know sum of zeros, alpha plus beta is 3. We know alpha beta as 2. Alpha plus beta is what? Minus b by a. Alpha beta is what? C by a. So I'll convert everything in terms of alpha plus beta or alpha beta. So can I write alpha plus beta whole square? So here if you'll do, you will have extra plus 2 alpha beta. So you have to minus 2 alpha beta plus alpha beta. So we will be left with what? Alpha beta square minus alpha beta, correct? Now simplify this thing. You know alpha plus beta is 3. So 3 square is 9. Minus alpha beta is 2. Hence the required value comes out to be 7. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.